Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is crucial for any business using online advertising: improving conversion rates in Google Ads. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, boosting your conversion rates can significantly impact your ROI. In this video, we will cover 12 effective strategies to enhance your Google Ads performance and drive more conversions. So let's dive in. First one is optimize your ad copy. And then how do you optimize it? See, your ad copy is the first thing potential customers see. So make it compelling. Then highlight unique selling points, USPs as they are called. Clearly state that sets your product or service apart from the competition, whether it's free shipping, a special discount, or a unique feature. Make sure your USP are front and center. Then use action-oriented language. Encourage users to take actions with strong, clear CTAs like buy now, sign up today, or get a free quote. You can also incorporate keywords. Relevant keywords should be used in your ad copy to ensure it matches what users are searching for. This improves ad relevance and quality score, leading to higher ad positions and lower cost. Now, second strategy is leverage ad extensions. Now, ad extensions provide additional information and increase the size of your ad, making it more prominent and clickable. How do you do this? By using site link extensions. Add links to your specific pages on your website, like product pages, contact forms, or special offers. Call out extension is another option. Highlight important aspects of your business such as 24/7 customer support or 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can also use structured snippets. Provide additional details about your products or services like available models, A, B, or C, or features, fast shipping, free returns, etc. Now, third tactics is refine your targeting. See, reaching the right audience is essential for improving conversion rates. So, how do you reach the audience? By audience segmentation. Create different ad groups for distinct audience segments based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your ad copy and landing pages to each segment. Then use retargeting. Use retargeting to reach users who have previously visited your site but didn't convert. Show them personalized ads to bring them back and complete their purchase. Then use a lookalike audience. You should target users who are similar to your existing customers. Google's similar audience feature helps you reach new potential customers who are likely to be interested in your offerings. Then fourth strategy is optimize landing pages. And this is very important. Your landing page is where conversions happen. Make sure it is optimized for maximum impact. Then how do you do it? First, you can use it by matching ad copy with the landing page. Ensure consistency between your ad copy and landing page content. If your ad promises a discount, the landing page should highlight that discount prominently. Then number 2 is simplify forms. Keep forms short and only ask for essential information. The easier it is for users to fill out the form, the higher your conversion rates will be. Then you should improve load time. A slow loading landing page can lead to higher bounce rates. So optimize your page for speed to ensure a smoother user experience. Fifth strategy in our arsenal is using A/B testing, because A/B testing helps you identify what works best for your audience. How do you do A/B testing? By testing different ad copies. For instance, experiment with different headlines, descriptions, and CTAs to see which combinations perform the best. Second is you can also test landing page variations. Create multiple versions of your landing page and test elements like headlines, images, and CTAs to determine the most effective layout. Then you should also monitor performance. Use Google Ads built-in tools to track the performance of your tests and make data-driven decisions. Number 6 strategy is implement negative keywords. Negative keywords prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, saving you money and improving relevance. How do you do this? First, you can do it by identifying irrelevant searches. Review your search terms report to find queries that are not relevant to your business. Add these as negative keywords. Second, you can use broad match modifiers. Broad match modifiers allows you to specify keywords that must be included in the search query. This helps you reach a more relevant audience while still capturing a wide range of searches. Number 7, this strategy is focus on quality score. Quality score, as you know, is a key factor in determining your ad's position and cost per click. How do you improve quality score? First is by improving ad relevance. Ensure your ad closely matches the keywords you are targeting. High relevance leads to better quality scores. Then you can also do it by enhancing landing page experience. Provide a user-friendly, relevant landing page that meets users' expectation. A good landing page experience contributes to a high quality score. Then number 3 is increase click-through rate, CTR as we know it. Create compelling ads that attract clicks. A high CTR signals to Google that your ad is relevant and useful to users. Number 8 strategy is utilize conversion tracking. See, conversion tracking is essential for measuring and optimizing your performance. But then the question is, how do you do it? You can do it by setting up conversion tracking. You can use Google Ads conversion tracking tool to track actions like purchases, form submissions, and calls. This data helps you understand which keywords and ads are driving conversion. Then you can do it by analyzing conversion data. Review your conversion data to identify patterns and trends. And now use this information to optimize your campaigns and allocate your budget to the best performing ads and keywords. Now, number 9th strategy for improving your ads is optimization for mobile. With more users accessing the internet via mobile devices, optimizing your ads and landing pages for mobile is crucial. How do you do it? Number 1, you do it by responsive design. Ensure your landing page is mobile friendly with a responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes. Number 2 is make mobile specific ads. Create mobile specific ad variations that cater to mobile users' needs and behaviors. Use shorter ad copy and strong CTAs tailored to mobile browsing. Number 3 is call extensions. Again, you can use call extensions to make it easy for mobile users to contact you directly from the ad. This can drive immediate conversions, especially for local businesses. Now, number 10th strategy is leverage smart bidding. Google's smart bidding strategies use machine learning to optimize for conversions. So make most of it. But then how do you do it? First way of doing it is by targeting CPA campaigns. Automatically set bids to get as many conversions as possible at your target CPA. This helps you control cost while maximizing conversion. Number 2 is target ROAS, return on ad spend. You can optimize bids to achieve a specific return on ad spend. This is ideal for businesses focused on maximizing revenue, especially e-commerce. Then third one is maximize conversions. You can set bids to get the most conversions within your budget. This strategy is useful when you want to increase overall conversions without worrying about individual CPA. Now, 11th and second last strategy is use remarketing list for search ad, RLSA as it is called. So RLSA allows you to customize your search ads for people who have previously visited your website. Then again, how do you do it? First way of doing it is by bid adjustments. You can increase bids for users who have shown interest in your products or services by visiting your site. This helps you stay top of mind and encourage repeat visits. Second way of doing it is by custom ad copy. You should tailor your ad copy to appeal to previous visitors. Highlight special offers on new arrivals to entice them back. Third way of doing this is by segmented list. Create different remarketing lists based on user behavior, such as visitors who viewed specific products or completed certain action. Customize your ads to address their specific interest. Now, 12th and last part of our strategy is optimize ad scheduling. Ad scheduling allows you to control when your ads appear, ensuring that they reach your audience at the right times. You can do it by first analyzing performance by time. What does it mean? It means you should review your performance data to identify peak times when your ads drive the most conversions. Focus your budget on these periods to maximize efficiency. Number 2 is day parting. What does it mean? You should adjust your bids based on the time of the day and day of the week. Increase bids during high conversion periods and decrease them during low conversion times to optimize your budget. And third way is seasonal adjustments. You should always consider seasonal trends and adjust your ad schedule accordingly. For example, increase your budget during holiday sessions or special events relevant to your business. See, improving your conversion rates in Google Ads require a combination of compelling ad copy, precise targeting, and ongoing optimization. By implementing these 12 strategies, optimizing ad copy, leveraging ad extension, refining targeting, optimizing landing pages, using A/B testing, implementing negative keywords, focusing on quality score, utilizing conversion tracking, optimized for mobile, leveraging smart bidding, using RLSA, and optimizing ad scheduling, you can significantly enhance your campaign performance and drive more conversions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of digital marketing. See you next time.